here with you, and today I'm here for the Take 5 August challenge. So if you don't know what Take 5 is, it's a bunch of prompts that are being chosen by some lovely ladies, and this time it's just me creating that that chose the prompts. And for the month of August, they are finish in 15 minutes, make use of the white space, circles, distress oxides or any inks, and blue. So kind of challenging because of the seconds especially, but then again I'm pretty sure that I can do good, because I went through the book that I purchased from Leanne, one of the wonderful ladies that is part of the group, and I came across this. I wasn't going to use it originally, but one of the prompts says make use of the white space. So the fact that there's already a design, I think that's what I'm going to be, that's why I'm going to be using it. And I was looking through quotes and stuff, and I found this one, à la poursuite du diamant, and I thought it was perfect because there's diamonds here. So that is my start. So that's why I'm thinking that I should be okay with the time, because already there's a lot of stuff that's already done on this. So I'm kind of cheating, but at the same time, it's helping my cause because I'm running out of time. Oh, summer is so busy. So anyway, so let's start this. And it's crazy when you see the seconds and stuff. That's kind of no, that's too stressful. Let's do this instead. I prefer seeing it slowly go down. Okay, so let's start. So I found this beautiful image, and I thought she looked like she's running either after something or something is running after her. So thought à la poursuite, so in pursuit of the diamond, would go with it. I pulled out two of my distress oxide, the faded jeans and the broken china, because of the blue prompt. So let's put some of the blue here. I'm not going to put it here because obviously it's already blue, and very dark blue, so it's really not going to show much. And this is just going to give some sort of background to this. And let's just spread a bit of water here and activate this a bit. Okay, so that is that. Now, of course, my heat gun, I unplugged it because somebody mentioned on a video, no, not actually on a video, Diane Reevely mentioned that when I was in her class that somebody she knew had a fire start in her house because of a heat tool that was plugged in, and one of the cats or whatever went on it and started it, and it started a fire. So that got me thinking and stressed about this. So that's why I'm now keeping it unplugged, which is probably a better thing to do in general. Wonder if I could just blot some of that out like that and put an added little touch here, but it won't show much. But because I want some of the white, I want what usually I don't know why my screen goes dark so fast on this thing. Trying to find how to keep it unlocked. No. not working for me. So anyway, it's gonna ring when it's finished, I guess. But yikes, 15 minutes goes by a lot faster than you think, because I thought I had lots of time and I really don't have all that much time anymore. So let's hurry up and get her fussy cut out. I like her because she's not too hard to fussy cut out. Like, there's not that many pieces that are all over the place. I don't like fussy cutting very intricate details. So here we go. I'm gonna keep this because I'm gonna make a background out of it. I'm pretty sure that that would be cool. So there's that. And then I want to use this sentiment here. And that is going to be on here. So, like I said, it's an easy one, but it's don't have a lot of time to work on this, so it's gonna work out good. I left some white space. I obviously didn't touch this page much at all, except for some of the blotting. And now for the circles. I'm thinking of using this watercolor, and I think I'm gonna do circles around some of the diamonds, because that's what she's chasing, or what's chasing her. It's kind of fun. Now what would be even more fun is if I had a tiny bit of water. Okay, I have here. Just activate some of this watercolor pencil just for the fun of it. Technically, I should still have some time left. Actually, I should just raise my head because the camera shows how much I've been recording. Okay, so there's that, and now if I put her, actually I'm hiding one of the circles, but no matter which way I put her, I'm going to be hiding some circles, so I guess it's going to be like this. Okay, so I will just glue her down. And she's got a blue little dress, so that is fitting as well. And now this is we're July 31st, and that is it. So how did I make up in time? I still had 8 minutes, so that's pretty good. So I used about half of it. Let's just check to make sure that I did all I was supposed to do. So finish at 15 minutes, I did that. Make use of the white space, I did that. Circles, I did that. Distress oxide, I used. Blue, well, there's blue all over. So yeah, I think I did it. So that's my page for you guys this month. I know it's super easy. It's nothing super fancy, but you know, you go with what you can with. And the point is trying to get your mind not to think too much and just play and do something. And honestly, I don't know what I would have done with this spread, so it took care of itself. I'm quite happy with it. compared to last month where I wasn't so happy. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. Go and check out the other ladies. They're, like I said, amazing group of ladies, and you will see down in the description box below the link to all of those lovely ladies. So that is it for me. Bye, everyone.